Hi there, students. Okay, here's some more mixed conditionals, and it might be good if you try and analyze them. Let's see. If you will smoke, you should do it outside. Okay, if you will smoke, here will is a modal talking about habit, or if you insist, you should, recommendation, outside, do it outside. So let's see, if you, present habit, if you will smoke, you should do it outside, present recommendation. Okay, if you used to live there, you ought to go back for a visit. Okay, so if you used to live in that place, then you ought to go back for a visit. So past habit and present or future recommendation, you should go back there for a visit. I'd do it if I could. I would do it if I could do it. So I would if I could. So let's see. If I could do it, present condition, then future action. I would do it. I think is that still a mixed conditional? You see, what I really need is an easy definition of a mixed conditional, something that fits directly into first, second, third conditional. But conditionals generally aren't that easy. If you're going to do it tomorrow, then I won't have to do it now. If you're going to do it tomorrow, future condition, I won't have to do it now, present result. Future condition, present result. If rain is forecast for tomorrow, we should have gone to the beach yesterday. Okay, if rain is forecast for tomorrow, future condition, we should have gone, unreal past, to the beach yesterday. Okay, so this is always part of the problem with this. When is the condition? When is the result? If you're cold now, you shouldn't have gone out without a coat. So if you're cold now, present condition, you shouldn't have gone out. No, if you're cold now, present result, you shouldn't have gone out with a coat, past condition. If you're going to get lost, then you should have taken a map with you, or you should take a map with you. Yeah, if you're going to get lost, you should take a map with you. If you're studying medieval history, or if you're studying English medieval history, then you will have already come across Magna Carta. So if you're studying present continuous around now, then you will have future perfect already come across the Magna Carta. So a few more examples of mixed conditionals. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Mixed conditional.